In our previous video, we talked about three kinds of noun that are common noun, proper noun, and collective noun. Today we are going to discuss two more kinds of noun that are concrete noun and abstract noun. Let us first start with concrete noun. Everything that is made of matter is called material or concrete noun. Concrete nouns can be seen and touched. In simpler words, concrete nouns are those nouns which have physical existence. For example, book, table, chair, fan, etc. Making it more simpler and easier for you. Concrete nouns can be thought of as anything which you can observe with any of your five senses would be concrete noun. You can touch, smell, taste, hear, or see the concrete nouns. For example, a bird, concrete noun. A book is also a concrete noun. A car, concrete noun. A boy, concrete noun. Now let us talk about abstract nouns. A noun which we cannot see or touch but only feel. For example, happiness, bravery, pain, love, etc. In simpler words, abstract nouns are those nouns which do not have any physical existence, making it more simpler and easier for you. Abstract nouns can be thought of as anything which you cannot observe with any of your five senses would be abstract noun. For example, happiness. You cannot touch, smell, taste, hear, or see happiness. You can only feel it, right? Let us have a look at a sentence. The boy had permission to go to the park. Now let us circle all the nouns in this sentence. The first noun is boy, permission, park. Now let's see out of these three nouns, how many of these can you picturize in your mind? Boy, can you think of a boy? Yes. Park? Of course, yes. And what about permission? We cannot picturize or visualize permission in our minds, right? Which means boy and park. These two nouns are concrete nouns, whereas permission would be abstract noun. Now let us have a short quiz related to our today's topic. I have bought a new bag. The underlined word is which kind of noun? Can we visualize a bag? Yes, so it would be concrete noun. This is a wooden table. The underlined word is which kind of noun? Table. Can we visualize a table? Yes. Concrete noun. His sincerity towards his job is wonderful. The underlined word is which kind of noun? Can we visualize sincerity? No. So it would be abstract noun. He bought a new car. The underlined word car is which kind of noun? Can we visualize a car? Yes. So it would be concrete noun. She is famous for her honesty. The underlined word honesty is which kind of noun? Can you visualize honesty? No. So it would be abstract noun. The old man rested under the tree. The underlined tree is which kind of noun? Can we visualize a tree? Yes. So it would be concrete noun. Our soldiers are well known for their valor. Can we visualize valor? No. So it would be abstract noun. Very well done, kids. You have done a great job. This is all about our today's lecture. We'll discuss the remaining kinds of noun in our next lecture. Till then, take care. Allah.